What's up, everybody? I got the Redcat Gen8 V2 here today. Figured I'd let y'all watch the whole unboxing deal go on. Y'all experience this with me, you know what I mean? But yeah, get this thing going so we can see what it looks like. Packaging is pretty good here. A lot going on in the box so far. Let's see how we gonna get this out of here. Y'all bear with me, guys. There we go. There you have it. Nice clean purple. Like the purple. Glad I didn't go with the green. Really digging the purple. Already cut the zip ties on it. There you go, guys. Nice. Shiny purple. It got a few decals on there. Scout 2, International Scout 2 body. Redcat stickers on the window, rear window, Gen8 V2, license plate. Pretty sweet body, pretty sweet. I was thinking about changing it, but I think I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this on here. Might get some custom interior or something done to it, but I'm gonna keep the bodies. As you can see, the suspension is very well built. Very nicely built. Good flex on there. Nice flex. Not bad. Believe the body is velcroed on. See if we can get this thing off. Yeah. Velcroed on. It's pretty, a little different. I like it. Yeah, we got Velcro here, here, and there, holding it onto the body. Make the chassis. Nice. Nice body, guys. I like the plastic grill. Lights. LED ready. Throw you some lights off in there, some LEDs in the headlight, tail lights. Very nice. Very nice. Got plastic fenders. Flare fenders, I look like. It's really nice. Yeah. Look real close, it says Redcat off in there. Set that kit to the side. Check this out here. This is what we want to see. Now that the body's off, as you can see, metal links all the way around. Very nice. I believe they're aluminum. Also got metal differential gear caps on the front and rear. Differential cap here is metal. And in the rear, it's metal also. Got metal oil fill shocks. Metal oil fill shocks. So yeah, the flex on this thing is pretty impressive. Very nice flex there. We can get a shot from the front. Very nice flex. Very nice. Got adjustable front and rear bumpers. They go inward or out more. Both front and rear go inward or out more. Got adjustable shocks. They're set on the lowest clearance setting right now, but you can raise the body up a little for more ground clearance in the front and the rear. If you look, you can see that you can adjust them side to side also to give it a slight angle on your shocks if you would like that. It's pretty nice. That's pretty nice there. Got the Redcat. Got the Redcat 550 brush motor. Hex Fly 25 kg metal servo in there. It's a 25 kg metal servo. That's a big upgrade that they did from the last one. Also have the Hex Fly waterproof. Everything supposedly should be waterproof on here, which can handle up to 3S, 2S and 3S. We're gonna get this to ride on 2S and 3S. So y'all stay tuned for that. Show y'all how it crawls, the difference in between the two and all that good stuff. Battery case, center nice size battery case. Straps, nicely designed straps. Tow hooks, plastic, metal look, but they're plastic, front and rear. Got you a spot for a winch here. Already got the holes. You just screw in a winch if you add your accessories and things like that. It's pretty nice. Divorce transfer case. Got divorce transfer case in there. Portal gears. Got your portal gears. Heavy duty axle and portal gears. It's nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I like how the motor is up front and not center or in the rear. Gives you a better advantage crawling up with your weight being up front. So, and your battery in the center, so most of your weight's gonna be right here. That's a thumbs up for Redcat on that part. See, U-cup. I noticed that was metal, but your drive shaft itself on both ends are plastic, but it does have the metal U-cup on both ends. So yeah, nice upgrades from the last one. Nicely upgraded. But yeah, pretty much the basics on there. Redcat did a good job on this build here, guys, I have to say. It's very nicely built. Very detailed. Standard chassis, just like the V1 C-shaped chassis. Pretty nice. Get your vinyls that come in there. All your decals. Some people don't like to add the decals. Some people like to add the decals. Optional thing there. See what else is in the box. Manual, of course. Gotta have a manual. Extra parts. Body mount, that's pretty cool. If you don't like the Velcro, guys, if you don't like the Velcro, they also have body mounts in here. If you decide to change the body or go to a different style, want to be different, Body mounts are in there also, and a lot of extra things in here. It seems like look like some clips to hold LED lights in. A lot of extra things in there. Pretty cool. Haven't opened it up yet. I'll get in there and see what's all in there. Standard receiver, rubber grip instead of the foam. You know they usually have the foam. The rubber grip there, so that's pretty neat. Got your standard settings, steering, throttle dual rate, steering reverse, normal, throttle reverse, normal, all that good stuff. Standard stuff. Pretty lightweight too, it's really light. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Yeah. Redcat Gen8 V2. Glad I got to unbox this and check this out with you guys. Tune in for some more unboxing things and stuff like that. But we're going to take this bad boy outside and get some crawling in. 2S, 3S. Let y'all see the difference. If there's a difference. But we'll witness it together. Y'all stay tuned.